Hey guys, I'm gonna show how to do a program to show a CSV file using Pandas module and Fast programming language. Type here as import and then Pandas as PD or similar names you like, and then I'm giving shift enter, and then now we'll give a variable like f and then is equal to pd.read underscore CSV, and then to run close brackets and in there double quotes, and in there I'm gonna type my path, which means C colon and then double slashes and then users and then MDP and then desktop and then data.csv, and then I'm giving a comma here, and then here I'm typing as header is equal to 0 and then a comma, and then here I'm gonna type as sep is equal to and then double quotes and then in there a comma, and then which means it will separate the values using comma, and then we can understand that easily. And then I'm gonna give shift enter. And then I'll type as print and then to print close brackets and in there f, and then I'll give shift enter. It has printed the data which I have in my CSV file. So I have duration and then average pulse and maximum pulse and then calorie burnage and then hours of work and then hours of sleep. So if you want to personalize this program, you can create your own CSV file using Excel, and then you can put some of the names of these variables and then put some of the names of the Pandas module. And then that's all. We have created our own program to show the CSV file using Pandas module and Python programming language. Now, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me in the comment box. Bye. We'll meet you next time.